Hello everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, I am Chef Christy and I share delicious recipes each and every week. And in the month of January, I'm really focusing in on some healthy recipes. So make sure that you subscribe, and you will also want to hit that notification bell. Then you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. Now today's recipe is super easy and quick. It's made in my slow cooker and it is for a white chicken chili. So let me show you how to put it together. So here is everything that you will need. I'm using some boneless, skinless chicken breast. I've got some frozen corn, Rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies, and then some extra fire roasted green chilies, onion, chicken broth. I've got the cannellini beans as well as the Great Northern. I've got reduced fat cream cheese, 4 ounces of that, and my spices, which is garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. And then of course, you will need your slow cooker. I love my slow cooker. Makes things so much easier. So let me show you how you put everything in here. So I have placed my chicken in the bottom of my slow cooker, and then I'm just going to sprinkle in my seasonings. And then I'm going to add some salt, and I'm using a flaked salt today. Also going to add some black pepper. Then I'm going to add my corn. Then I'm going to add 1 onion that I have diced up. And then I'm going to add my beans that I have rinsed and drained. Then I'm going to add my can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, and also my fire roasted chilies. And then I'm going to add 1 container of chicken broth. And then I'm going to cover this and cook this on high for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so now I am going to add the cream cheese. And I'm just going to stir this around a little bit, cover it, and let it cook for another 30 minutes or so. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this chicken out of the slow cooker and I'm going to shred it with my forks. All right, I'm just gonna shred it. Okay, I have shredded all this chicken, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it back into my slow cooker. Then I'm going to stir it all around. It's looking good. Oh yeah. So the white chicken chili is all done. It is so delicious. I love to take a sliced avocado and shredded cheddar cheese, and then I like to take a lime wedge and just squeeze the juice all over top of my soup. And then, do you ever wonder what to do with all the crumbs in the bottom of your tortilla chip bag? Well, I like to take them and sprinkle them right over top of any kind of chili. Soup like this is just so good. This is a healthy recipe. I hope that you give this a try. And of course, I have to give it a try. I want to get the perfect bite. Oh, okay, this has got my chicken, avocado, chip, bean, corn. That is so, so good. I hope that you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more healthy recipes.